specific witness.
And Matthew Barhoma, how effective is that if we're trying to establish reasonable doubt? And you could look at each one of these examples and say, okay, well, here's a guy who had meth problems in the past. Okay, maybe that's reasonable doubt. Here, maybe there were other people around Teresa Odom that had meth. There was another instance, I think it was Trevor Day, whose mother had used meth in the past, although she was clean now. And is that enough to say to the jury, well, maybe that is reasonable doubt? If we don't definitively see him planting drugs, or maybe it's not clear even on the tape that these were drugs, and maybe there's a possibility there was, drugs left over, coupled with the idea of, oh my gosh, we're talking about an officer just planting drugs on unsuspecting motorists. That's too unbelievable to believe. Is that enough for reasonable doubt?
Certainly. I think that there's enough here for reasonable doubt. I mean, you have witnesses who are basically accepting the fact that either they were in possession of drugs or around someone who could have. And if they're around someone who could have had the drugs, then they must certainly be that kind of person as well. So certainly it pokes around credibility. It pokes around the ability to testify sincerely. And the fact that she's running away from some basic statements shows that maybe she's not being fully honest. Is there a reason why she's not being honest? Either way, defense here has poked holes into the credibility of every single witness, and I think that doing it on Odom is a star witness is a good idea, because it certainly shows this is the strongest victim that you have. This is the strongest witness that you have, and here she is, possibly maybe a liar, maybe not answering to certain things, or maybe hangs around people who have drugs, which shows shady character. So certainly it may just be enough to change the jury's mind about credibility. We'll see. Could they do it across all the defendants?
Maybe. And let's keep going through this cross-examination of Teresa Odom. There were other points that the defense wanted to hit upon.
And you said you did that because you just wanted to go home?